Good morning, dear students. Today you must be wondering why ma'am have put so many ice cream sticks. What they are doing here? If you can see, these ice cream sticks are representing some alphabets. Let's guess. I, correct. V, X, L, M. But what they are doing here? Are they representing something? Yes, they are representing the symbols in Roman numbers. How? This I represents the value as 1, V as 5, X 10, L 50, M 1000. So today what we are going to learn? Roman numbers. Correct. So let's get started. Roman numbers. Roman numerals are numeral system that originated in ancient Rome and remained the usual way of writing numbers throughout Europe, well into the late Middle Ages. Numbers in the system are represented by combination of letters from Latin alphabet. Modern usage employs 7 symbols, each with fixed integer value. Let's find out what are these 7 symbols and what are their value. Now let's understand the symbols and its value. Now in the beginning of the video I showed you these symbols, remember? So what they represent? 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. Good. But some of you must be thinking, now how we will remember it? So we have a new secret word with us. What? Medical Xavier. How medical Xavier? Just check. M for 1000, D 500, C 100, L 50, X 10, V 5, I 1. So you'll never forget. What is our secret word? Medical Xavier. Now we need to calculate some Roman numbers with the help of these symbols. Now, if I am having Hindu-Arabic numbers, how we will convert it to the Roman numbers? These symbols will help us. Now, one basic rule for this is, suppose I am having one ice cream stick over here. Okay, it represents with symbol 5. Now, if I place the ice cream stick here, what I have to do is subtraction. So 5 minus 1. Why this? Because this represents 1. So 5 minus 1, what it give you? 4. Now, if I keep this ice cream stick over here at the right hand side, so what it represent? Addition. So 5 plus 1, what you will get? 6. Correct. So now let's learn more about it. So there are rules for writing the Roman numbers. Rule number 1. When a symbol placed to the right of the symbol of larger value, the value of both symbols are added. Right now I just showed you this. 6. If I divide it, we break it. 5 plus 1, V plus 1. So we have these ice cream sticks. Now we'll learn that first rule with the help of the ice cream sticks. Let's place the ice cream sticks like this. What does this represent? V. Now according to the rule number 1, if I place ice cream stick to the right hand side of the symbol, I need to add. So what is this? 5 plus 1? 6. If I add another one, then that will be 5 plus 1 plus 1. That is 7. Now let's take another one. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that gives you 8. Now if I'll take another one and keep it here, what it becomes? 9. No. Why? Because there's another rule, an important rule, that the symbol will only be repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Not more than that. Then what we will be representing 9 as? Okay. 9. If we subtract 1 from 10, what will give you? 9. So, let's make 10 over here. Is this 10? Correct. Now, if I'll place this ice cream stick over here, it will represent what? Addition. That means 10 plus 1, 11. But if I place this ice cream stick over here, then it represents subtraction. That means 10 minus 1 gives you 9. I hope you have understood, but you will not add it again over here. Okay, only one time. Now we learn about the rule number 2. When a symbol is repeated in succession, the value of the numeral is calculated by the rule of addition. That means if I am adding a particular number, if you can see 2, if I am dividing it, 1 plus 1, that gives you one ice cream stick, another ice cream stick. I hope that is clear. Now, as I told you, no symbol is repeated successively more than how many times? 3, correct. And the symbols V, L and D are never repeated. Now another rule, that is rule number 3. When a symbol is placed to the left of a symbol of larger value, the value of the smaller symbol is subtracted from the larger symbol. Now if you can see, we just did the example. I hope it is clear to you. Now we need to keep some points in our mind. Note number 1. I can be subtracted from V and X only how many times? Once. V, L and D can never be subtracted. X can be subtracted from L and C only once. C can be subtracted from D and M only once. Correct. Now, how we can convert a Hindu-Arabic numeral to Roman numeral and vice versa? It's a very easy 2-step technique. Number 1, break. Number 2, do each conversion. Let's see how. Example number 1, 54. Let's divide it. If I break 54, what I get? 50 plus 4. Can I write 4 as 5 minus 1? So 50 represent L and 5 minus 1 represent 1 V. So what is my new numeric value? Correct. Another one, 129. 100 plus 20 plus 9. So C, X, X, I, X. Similarly for the third one, check it out. M, M, C, D, X, X, V, I. Now let's convert Roman numeral to Hindu-Arabic. Now example number 1, X, X, I, X. So break it, X plus X plus I, X. So X and X will be representing 10 and 10 and IX will be representing 10 minus 1, that is 9. So what a number I got? 29. Similarly for example number 2, check. Similarly example number 3, check it out. I hope it is very clear with you. Now let's write Hindu-Arabic numeral from Roman numeral with the help of another examples. Check. If I see X, I, X. So representing X, I, X. See, I, X represents, X represents. So following at the examples to show that how the Roman numerals are getting converted to Hindu-Arabic. You can check with the arrows as well. I hope you have understood. Similarly, vice versa. Write Roman numerals for Hindu-Arabic. So we have some Hindu-Arabic number which need to get converted to Roman numbers. Check it out. 24 is being break. 2-step technique. break, convert, break, convert. Check it out.